We live in a world where technology is constantly evolving. Billionaires are taking joyrides to space. Getting to Mars is a serious business. The metaverse just got legs, and crypto and blockchain are taking over the online space. Heck, even the local dry cleaners accept Bitcoin as a payment option. You might have heard of DAO gaming, especially in the wake of crypto kitties. You may also have some serious questions about what it is and how it works. For those who are used to PC or system games, it's a whole new world. Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Levitate channel. In this video, we will be going over Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, DAO. But before we begin, we would like you guys to subscribe to the channel, like this video and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on amazing and entertaining content. DAO is run by a set of rules written into code. This code, also known as smart contract, is stored on a blockchain, which means anyone can contribute to its development. It's basically like crowdfunding for game building. DAO and blockchain are designed to be both tamper-proof and transparent. You know what you're going to get, and external control or censorship is impossible. If you're interested in trying out DAO gaming, there are a few things you should know. First, you'll need to acquire some cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are all excellent choices. Once you have some cryptocurrency, you can use it to purchase in-game items or currency. You can also earn rewards by participating in game development or simply by playing the game. There are several ways that DAOs will alter the gaming landscape, and other developments in the space will complement and enhance DAO gaming. NFTs result in truly unique in-game rewards. Farming bosses for rare weapons can feel like a never-ending time suck, and while in-game rewards don't disappear in DAO gaming models, they are transformed. Imagine playing a game where every reward for completing objectives or participating in events was a one-of-a-kind NFT. That's the potential of DAO gaming. Players are motivated to collect these uber-rare items and trade or sell them. This would increase revenue for developers and create an entirely new economy within this digital space. Additionally, the achievement space within gaming could be completely overhauled. Instead of a generic virtual trophy or badge when hitting certain in-game milestones, you could be rewarded with an NFT that can be used in-game or on the open market. This would be even more motivating and rewarding for players who enjoy 100% completion of the games they play. Polygon may drive down costs. The Layer 2 solution Polygon increases the speed of transactions while reducing costs. Lowering the cost of running a game is, of course, helpful for game developers. Increased transaction speed results in a smoother gaming experience for users, a common complaint in large multiplayer games that exist on traditional platforms. Unity 3D could lead to cross-platform gaming. The popular game engine Unity 3D supports platforms including console, web, mobile, and desktop. If Unity 3D gets involved in the blockchain space, the door is open for cross-platform gaming on any device. Connecting with people all over the world is one of the joys within the gaming community, and DAO can make it even more accessible for gamers. Web 3.0 could change the way players interact with the gaming world. The next iteration of the internet is known as Web 3.0. Still in development, it will offer secure and decentralized technology based on blockchain and will be supported by token-based currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Machine learning, a form of artificial intelligence, will enable computers to produce more relevant results across several areas and industries, including gaming. Imagine a game world where players have total control over the game economy and experiences, essentially a more robust, intuitive, and interactive version of The Sims. Smart contracts provide precise control over game characters and world experiences. New games are being released and developed at a rapid pace, but CryptoKitties was one of the first games to hit the market. The game has a Neopets kind of vibe and is centered on the virtual breeding and collection of cats. You can buy cats from others, sell your unique kitties, or just happily collect them on your own, becoming a virtual cat lady or cat dude. As more and more game options emerge using decentralized autonomous organizations, limits will continue to be pushed and new frontiers explored. What's your favorite potential use for DAO? What's your current preferred gaming platform? And are you team blockchain or happy with the status quo? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, if you found today's video valuable and interesting, let us know by smashing that like button. Be sure you're subscribed with notifications enabled so you never miss an exciting update from our channel. Until next time.